Have you ever wondered how a kitchen works? Well, it's organized chaos. We use what's called the Brigade system. Let me explain. Modern day cuisine is all based on the Brigade system. This system made the kitchen super efficient, gave everybody a role, and it made things so much smoother. The chef owner. The chef owner was probably a chef in the past and decided that they wanted to own their own establishment. They still like to get behind the line, but they also wanted to be more hands-on when it came to some choices on the front of the house side as well. The executive chef. So the role of the executive chef is to be the face of the restaurant. Most people don't know who the owner is of a restaurant, but they do know who the executive chef is. The executive chef creates the menu, does the hiring in the kitchen specifically, and sometimes they'll have a hand in hiring the restaurant, the front of house manager as well. Sous chef. Sous chef technically means in French, under chef. It's the person that is directly under the executive chef. They're actually the person that does a lot of work, especially later in the evenings when the executive chef has gone home. They manage the rest of the restaurant for the evening to make sure everything gets done according to the standards of the restaurant. Pantry chef. This person is in charge of all your produce-based items, your salads, your appetizers, anything that can be cold prep, this person will take care of. The grill chef is in charge of everything that's grilled on your menu, whether it's proteins, vegetables, even if you want to throw like a grilled focaccia or ciabatta on the grill, they'll be the person in charge of that. Saute. It's not for the faint of heart. Ripping hot pans, high stress environment, you have to make sure you keep an eye on your sauces because if they break, they're ruined. Everybody's relying on you to finish up the plates. Fried appetizers, fried entrees, anything that's getting dropped into the fryer is taken care of by the fry chef. Pastry chef does all your confectioner items, all the things that you love to eat after your meal. A lot of people might wonder what the difference between a cook and a chef is. And in my opinion, the chef is a creator. They're gonna take their past experiences and recreate something with a little bit of a twist. Whereas a cook will take that recipe and make it the same way every time. So the next time you're in your local restaurant, I hope this information helps you understand some of the things that are going on within that organized chaos.